Congratulations! You've arrived at Unit 4. This means that you've survived the first 5 weeks of your internship as well as ethics for the professional accountant. Let's recall the learning objectives of this module. On completion of this module, you should be able to understand the role of the professional accountant in the business, corporate, and economic environment, and explain why ethics is essential to upholding the profession. Explain the significance of the fundamental principles of EP 100 and apply these principles in order to comply as a professional accounting both in business and in public practice. Identify suspicious transactions with respect to EP 200 and describe the necessary reporting requirements and process. To bring you to an adequate level of competence where you will be able to recognize a threat or conflict of interest at work and exercise the necessary judgments, we now want you to work on a case study. There are 2 parts to the case study. Firstly, in Part A, you will identify and describe a threat to compliance of the code. This will be based on a situation that you have personally experienced or observed on internship. Alternatively, you can interview your colleagues to learn about the threats that they have experienced and seek permission to use this as your case study. In Part B, you will analyze the situation in Part A. Using the code's framework, you will explain the threats to compliance, examine the affected fundamental principles, and reflect on the possible safeguards to address this threat. You will present the case study in a 4-minute video, just like the way I'm presenting to you now. For more details, refer to the assignment brief and rubrics on MEL. The case study is due at the end of week 8 of internship. So you have about 3 weeks to do this. On behalf of the development team, thank you for your attention and active participation in this module. We hope that you have enjoyed learning on this module as much as we have enjoyed developing it for you. Goodbye.